Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in a comfortable cross-legged position, closing our eyes, just relaxing here. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a deep inhale, breathing in and sigh it out through your mouth. Let's place one hand on our heart, one hand on our belly. Again, we breathe in deeply. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Let all of your air out. Again, let's take a big inhale, breathing in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh the air out of your mouth. And you can relax your hands as you drop your right ear to your right shoulder. I just want you to take some deep breaths in and out through the nose here. And now let's drop our head forward, tucking the chin into the chest, just letting the head hang. And now left ear to left shoulder. And now let's drop our head back, pointing our chin up towards the ceiling. And you can bring your head back to center as you lift the shoulders up towards the ears and drop them down. Again, let's lift our shoulders up towards the ears and drop them. One more time, raise those shoulders up and drop them down. We make our way onto hands and knees, coming into our tabletop position. Let's open the legs wide, get really comfortable here. As you drop your belly low, shine your chest forward, looking up for your cow pose. And now we come into our cat pose, rounding our spine, tuck the chin in. Again, drop the belly low for cow pose, looking up. And we come into that cat pose. Cow pose, shine your chest forward. And cat pose, round your spine. And let's make our way onto our bellies for Sphinx pose. The arms are parallel, your shoulders are right on top of your elbows. Relax your legs behind you as you drop your head forward, bringing the left ear to the left shoulder. And now right ear to right shoulder. Let's do that again. So left ear to left shoulder. And right ear to right shoulder. Let's lower our right cheek down onto the backs of our palms. Closing our eyes, we take some deep breaths. Let's come back into our Sphinx pose. So you can do what we just did, or you can go a little bit deeper by pressing into the palms, maybe straightening the arms, wiggling the shoulders a little bit. Maybe dropping the head back, taking whatever movement feels good to you, and then lowering that left cheek onto the backs of your palms. Reach behind you with your right arm, grabbing for your right foot or ankle. So you're just resting here, feeling a little thigh stretch. And now let's switch legs. Let's make our way onto our back, so you can just start to roll over onto your back. We bend our knees, planting our feet on the bed, one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly. Let's take a deep inhale, fill your belly up with air. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Again, deep inhale, fill your belly up. Open mouth, exhale. Let's extend our right leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind the right hamstring as we just take some circles with the right foot and ankle. And now we make our way into our figure 4, placing that right ankle on the left knee. You can either keep your left foot on the bed or you can float the legs up towards you, either grabbing behind the left leg or in front of that knee. Release your figure 4, extending your left leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind that leg and taking some circles with your ankle and your foot. Make your way into your figure 4. Release your figure 4 as you hug the knees into the chest, taking whatever movement feels comfortable to you. And now we relax our legs and our arms onto the bed. We close our eyes and we just take some deep breaths. Let's take one more inhale all together, breathing in through the nose and open mouth, exhale. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.